Hey guys, what's up? And I'm back with another video, and I'll show you endangered animals. Yay! I got this image from ChatGPT. Oh, what was it? Oh, okay. They call it a purpose. States currently endangered. Estimate population fewer than 10. The threat. This teener marine mammal is found only on northern Gulf of California. Is frequently killed as batch in illegal gillets used to catch toba fish. I think toba fish are rare fish. The Javan rhino, Rhinoceros stondens, is currently the rarest, largest mammal on Earth, once roaming across Southeast Asia from India to Vietnam. In the entire species of now confidence, a single location, Ujung Kulon National Park on the western tip of Java, Indonesia. Javan rhinos. The Amaru leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, is widely considered the rarest big cat on Earth. Native to the temperate forest of southern Russia and northern China, it is only leopard subspecies specially adapted to survive harsh snowy climates. The African forest elephant, Ledonta, is a distinct species of elephant native to humid tropical forests of Central Africa and parts of West Africa. Often called mega gardener of the forest, these elephants play vital in their ecosystem by disappearing seeds, creating trails of other animal use. Havaski sea turtles, Ekoska, I don't know how to pronounce that. Brachyta and currently endangered marine reptile known for the stunning overlapping shell scoot and hawk-like breaks. They are essentially to use health for coral reefs, where they feed primarily on sponges that would otherwise overgrow and suffocate the coral. The end. So, I hope you guys enjoyed our fake video. Yes, these slide videos are only fake. Cause pumped up. I'm getting you guys hyped up for May 14th, where my actual videos are beginning. Editing videos, blurring stuff, fast forwarding, and I'm gonna have a new channel. Oh, no, not a new channel, another channel. And please sub, I want views. I'm trying to beat my friend in a race of whoever gets 1 million views. 1,000 views. I only have around 200. But anyways, I hope you guys have a nice day. Make sure to watch all of my videos and see you guys in the next one. Over and out. Adios.